In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new audience in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which import option to choose so you can start growing your audience with confidence. First, open Mailchimp and sign in so you're on the home dashboard. Think of your audience as the central place where your contacts live. Before you add anyone, make sure you have permission to email them and that your list is clean, with accurate email addresses and ideally column headers like first name and last name if you have them. From the home dashboard, head to the audience section. You'll see the area where your contacts will be managed. This is where you'll decide how to bring people into your new audience. Mailchimp gives you several straightforward options, and you can use whichever best matches the source of your contacts. If you're moving from another email tool, choose the option to import from another platform. This walks you through connecting to a supported service so you can pull contacts over without manual file work. During the process, you'll review field mapping to make sure things like email and first name land in the right place, and you can confirm that everyone has opted in. If your contacts are in a spreadsheet, choose to upload a file. Export your list as a CSV or TXT, include clear column headers, and keep one person per row. When you upload, Mailchimp will prompt you to match each column to the correct field. Take a moment to double check that email addresses are aligned with the email field to avoid errors. For a quick, small list, use copy and paste. You can paste emails directly, one per line, and include additional fields separated by commas or tabs. You'll still see a mapping screen so you can confirm what each piece of data represents. If you want to grow your audience organically, create a sign-up form. Mailchimp can generate a hosted form or give you embed code for your website. This is ideal for ongoing collection and helps ensure proper consent. Consider enabling double opt-in for cleaner data and better deliverability. When you're ready to proceed with any of these methods, click Add Contacts to kick off the flow you've chosen. Follow the on-screen steps, confirm your mappings, and review the summary before finishing. Mailchimp will handle duplicates automatically and only add new or updated contacts. That's it. Your new audience is set up and ready for campaigns.